Hello, welcome to Magical Maiden's Jewelry Tutorials. I'm Magical Maiden, and today what I have for you is one of the items from my unboxing review from BB Crafts, these beautiful dragon gemstone pendants. And if you haven't seen my unboxing and review from BB Crafts, you could find it on my review playlist, but I'll also link it below in the description box as well as the end screen. Also, I will also have the special link for these beautiful dragon gemstone pendants below and a 10% discount. So you want to definitely remember to check that out, but I'll remind you again towards the end of this video. And I went more in depth on the unboxing and review. These are gemstones, they're real gemstones, except for the turquoise one. That's the only synthetic gemstone. The rest of them, you have obsidian, you have lapis lazuli, and or lazuli, you have uh, quartz crystal, and just they're just really beautiful. And I want to mention that they do come randomly. So you will get 5 in a package, but you may not get something like, for instance, I didn't get the amethyst or the tiger eye or the green aventurine. So just keep that in mind when you're ordering it. But I love the choices that I have right here. Again, I have the obsidian, the lapis lazuli. So let's get started. So here you go. These are so beautiful. Look at them. And I love the way they look. And it's so easy to interchange them as well. And with these, again, the link will be below. It's a special link, but these look really, really nice. And you have a variety to choose from. And again, they do have a few others, like this is the obsidian, that is the quartz crystal, the lapis lazuli, and then look at this beautiful one. I'm forgetting what that is, but I will list it, and you can look at the link, that special link, and you can see through it, see? Now, like I said, the turquoise is the only one that's synthetic, but the others are real gemstones. And they're really unique and they're really cool and they're good for a male or female to wear. And look at the back. See that? They give you a large bail. So you could really put a nice thick chain. It's easy to interchange it. You can just slide it right off because it's so big. So for instance, I'll use a choker. Now, you could buy a choker already made, or you can make one using jewelry making wire. Now, the lower the gauge, the thicker the wire, the higher the gauge, the thinner the wire. And you could use about, I don't know, a 15 or 14, but you just have to bend those prongs opposite ways and then click it. But again, like I said, you could buy them already made. But you could put this on a choker, a chain, a ribbon, anything you want. And it's easy because all I have to do is just slide this through the opening on the pendant, and there you go. And I love it because if I want to wear the black obsidian, it's so easy. And if I wanted to remove it, I could just stick one of the other ones on there. Because of that nice large bail in the back, it's so easy to slide it off and on. But you could slide it off and on from this and then go stick it on a chain. But that's what I love about the choker option. So here's what the quartz crystal one looks like. That's so pretty. And I love that. I love crystals. I don't know about you. If you're really into gemstones, BB Crafts has tons of gemstone jewelry. So this is what I have for you today. And again, like I said, the links will be below. And there's so many more things you can do with this. For instance, if you wanted to make a chain, they also have gemstone beads. Now these are obsidian beads. And I got them from BB Crafts. So see, you can make a pretty chain using beads and eye pins. You put the eye pin through it, you cut the end, you make a loop on the other end because an eye pins have a loop on one end, so you just have to cut it and then do on the other end. But you can put it with chain and beads, and BB Crafts has a lot of beads, gemstone beads. So if you were going to do the obsidian, you can get black obsidian beads of different sizes, or you can do any other type of bead you want. But look how nice that looks on there. So choker, chain, ribbon, whatever you want to put this on, I love the way that looks. And this is what it's going to look like on. That's with the black obsidian beads and other beads mixed in. And again, if you were wearing the quartz crystal, they have quartz crystal beads, they have turquoise beads, they have endless supply. So go check out BB Craft and remember the links below this video in the description box. So this is what the quartz crystal one looks like. And the lapis lazuli. Isn't that eye-catching? I love that. So many different colors, so many different style ways that you can wear this. Choker, chain, ribbon. This is a turquoise. Now that's eye-catching as well. I love that. And again, the turquoise is synthetic, but it looks really nice. So remember all the links below, as well as the 10% discount code. You don't want to forget that. So go ahead and check out my unboxing review from BB Craft if you haven't seen it. Like I said, I will link it below, as well as on my review playlist. And really, just check them out. They have so many wonderful items. Thanks for watching. Bye.